All right, guys. So now we are finally in the garage. Here is the Trailblazer SS, as seen on the channel a bunch of times. If you're new, we have a bunch of different installs in this truck, so go ahead and check it out. I'm going to use this clip for actually both videos, the brakes and the control arms. We're doing brakes and control arms. I'll get more into detail about them, but we're doing both of those today. I'm going to make 2 separate videos on them. So we got power stop brakes, and when we open them up, we'll explain it more. We got control arms. Right now we're just setting up the jacks and getting her started.
Those really don't look that hard to get out, those control arms. Spray them with PP Blaster.
Yeah, spray them now. May as well.
Spray them now, we can start everything else, because this shouldn't be too bad to take out.
Alright guys, so we just got done doing brakes, not done doing brakes, we just got done taking the front brakes off. That'll be the video before this, so if you're watching this video, the brake video is already up, and you'll be able to see the install of the power stop brakes. But while we are up in front, obviously, we're going to do the control arm install. So you don't have to take your brakes off to do this, obviously. We're just doing both at the same time. So we've got everything off for the brakes, and now we're gonna move on to control arms. What are you trying to figure out? If you can get a impact in there or something?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this.
To be continued. So are they both 21s?
I don't know about the other side, I'm sure it is.
Well, I meant like in the middle too. Or is the nut welded to the control arm?
The nut is, I'm pretty sure the nut is part of the frame. Watch out.
Is it?
Yeah, it's part of the frame.
Oh, cool. Okay, so these are 21mm bolts.
That's right.
Oh, we'll see. Is this bend or flex? Oh, there's something back there too.
Yeah, there's like metal.
That's weird. Double wrench method.
Don't bust your fender into it.
Please, if you see your man doing this in the garage, walk away.
Step away.
Just step away. You gotta do it the other way, don't you?
Yeah, I do. There we go.
There you go.
Oh, that's not bad.
Oh, wow, okay. Well, it's easy.
Double wrench method.
So we started doing the other side, and I'll show you that in a second. We don't have it off yet. But basically, what was the trick? You pull this one out first.
Yeah, you gotta shimmy it out.
You gotta pull this side out first, so you can kind of like tweak the control arm.
Well,
to get that bolt out.
Because the bolts are really, really close. Okay, watch your cameras there.
I gotta tell you. Did you hit your finger?
No, I hit my arm.
Oh, nice one.
Normally I wouldn't be breaking these clips apart, but I can't use them on the new control arms anyways.
So you're gonna do zip tie or what?
Yeah, I'll just zip tie this up to, because that's all this is doing without having a zip tie on there. It's just holding the wire up so it's not getting caught in other stuff, and it's supported.
Getting bound up and stuff.
Yep. Because the new control arms, I'm not gonna drill a hole in my control arms to put a push clip in there.
No.
And we're back to fun stuff. Actually, I wonder if I could...
You don't have ratchet wrenches?
I don't have one this big.
Oh, what is it, like a 21?
It's 21.
Oh, yeah.
Make yourself useful.
Hey, listen. Oh, yeah, I don't know if I showed it or not, but basically, if you've never done these, if you've never done any type of control arm or ball joint before, I'll show you when it's down.
What?
This sits on here, and you just put like a screwdriver or like a pry bar in there, and you beat on it, and it opens it so that you can actually get it off. Because some of them get frozen and seized down there, and you just beat a thing in there, and it opens that up, and so you can literally just pop it up like that.
Pry it off.
And then all there is 2 bolts, one back here, one back there. And once we figure out how to get the bolts out, we will let you know. Wow.
That was my noise.
Oh my god.
Yep.
Dude, that is
smoke.
like, you see this one? See like this bushing?
That's it's not really how it's supposed to be.
It's not how it's supposed to be, but at least it's intact. Look at this one.
That's the inner part of the bushing. The rubber is just gone.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I knew that was bad.
So the way we get this, well, this one wasn't that hard, right? You said this side wasn't hard. I'll show you how to get the other one. This one, you can literally take the bolts out and it's good. Dude, that is just whomped. Well, let me get 2 as well. Oh yeah, I didn't tell them. What are these? DJM or something?
DJM suspension.
DJM suspension. And tell them about the thing again, too.
What?
The bracket.
Oh, this. See this? Well, you can see the difference.
Yeah, see the difference?
Like the ball. This angle here is different than the factory is, because if you ever want to lower your truck, it keeps it so like this ball joint here, it's not at an extreme working angle. Like it's not sitting like this maxed out when you're driving down the road, so it keeps this ball joint alive a lot longer and a lot happier working angle.
Is that ball joint womped out?
No, not really. It's still tight.
Oh yeah, okay. So yeah, it's like angled because it's set up in case you ever want to lower your truck. That's gonna.
And these only work on Trailblazer SS's too.
Yeah, they do only work on Trailblazer SS's. It's gonna keep the longevity of the ball joint. Are these polyurethane bushings?
Yeah.
Is that what comes? What comes on factory?
Just rubber.
Just rubber?
Yeah, that's a rubber.
So
it's just
polyurethane bushings, DJM suspension. They're perfect for. Obviously, they're gonna be better handling, and like I said, if you wanted to lower your truck, that is a perfect thing to do, so that doesn't just chew up your ball joint. So there's really no good way to tell you how to put these in. You just kind of got to shimmy them in. He put the that side in first, like toward the rear of the truck. Put that side in first, kind of shimmied it in. But in reality, just kind of pay attention to how you pull it out, and that's kind of how you put it in. There's really no good way to just do it. Yeah. All right.
Hey, don't play this part. I'm modifying.
Ugh. So we got the other side all done. We're gonna show you pretty much how to do it now, but actually we got the brakes done too, so if you want to see that, go watch the other video. But new control arms are in. The passenger side, which is this side, is a little easier. We're working on getting the driver's side out right now.
That's really close.
Is it still in the threads in the
Just
control,
barely.
or the shock or whatever?
That's not gonna work doing that.
So what you're stuck on back there
Yeah, but I can't.
is right here.
I can't hit it from here.
True. Somehow you've got to get, we're trying to figure out how to get that bolt kind of past that lip. I don't know. Yeah, these bushings are womped.
I mean, they're old.
All right, tell me what you did. I missed it.
I just found a little bit of metal.
Oh, yeah. So, see that? There's the hole for the control arm bolt. We had to bend that metal right there just to get enough clearance for that bolt to come out, and then it came right out. Forgot to mention, too, they do come with grease zerks, and you can put them in there, and these are greasable as well.
Yeah, because if
Forgot to
not,
mention that.
polyurethane bushings when they're dry are squeaky. Like really squeaky. Oh, that's slippery.
Oh, I've seen that one. You popped right through.
Yeah. I put that grease on there, they move a lot better now.
Yeah, you put that on there wrong. Oh, no, you didn't. I thought they were, sorry.
I put that on there wrong. I'm like, if I put it on there
Wait.
wrong. No, I did actually. I put it on upside
I was gonna say,
down.
that's what I meant, yeah. I was like, that's upside down. They are kind of a pain to line up. Tech tip, the other side he had a hell of a time putting on. This side, throw some grease on the shock tower, and or on the polyurethane bushing, and they'll slide right around for you. Because they are kind of a pain, because you really, from down there, you can't see where you're lining it up, so you need to move it around a lot.
I just need a little.
All right, so because of the pain in the butt that the lip has given us, it was nice to have kind of two people to do this, so you can have one through because I'm through the hood right now, if you can't tell. A lot easier to kind of have him wiggle that around, so you can kind of finesse that bolt into the shock tower.
Now you don't have that luxury on the other side.
Yeah, you don't have the luxury on the other side, but it wasn't as hard. You didn't have that kind of lip in the way either on the other side, so like.
And you don't have it on the back side either.
Yeah, it's a win-loss, but that side's still easier. How's it going, bub?
Yeah, it's getting there.
Yeah, now putting the ball joints on is kind of a pain.
Yeah. You gotta get it lined up just right in there. Get it to go in straight. It's going down.
Wow, the camera's so delayed.
Like my swing, I'm on the next swing by the time it actually.
It's going up when it knocks. You're like, wait, hold on.
You want to do the same thing we did before?
Yeah, you need the jack?
No.
Or no? No? All right, we'll try this.
You pull down on this. I'd rather have it up there. Yep. Hold on, I think that landed. You get my flashlight. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
So what you just saw us do was, I pried down on this, the bracket of the control arm, put a pry bar on it and bent down while we have it jacked up too to give us
A little bit of pressure.
to get more leeway, and then he just beat the spindle up into the control arm.
Yep.
So I missed it, but he said he kind of feels like you feel like it's tighter.
Yeah, a little
steering
bit.
wheel?
It's hard to tell. I haven't really taken any corners at any speed yet. But like I feel, it feels pretty good. Like it feels.
Doesn't feel like it shifts.
It feels more direct.
Yeah.
I don't know. I could be hallucinating too because those old bushings are freaking whopped.
Those bushings were garbage, dude.
They were gone. It needs urethane sway bar bushings and then now a bigger sway bar. I really wired that wrong.
All right, so control arms. Depending, I mean, obviously these trucks are going to be at least 12 years old by the time you guys see this video. So depending on how your alignment was already,
Caster's a little off.
caster's off, but that could be anything.
That's not gonna affect tire wear.
No, that doesn't affect tire wear anyway. So if you have a pull, caster could be a thing, but
over bumps especially.
yeah, but otherwise camber,
The way the tire comes up.
the camber's good. So we're just gonna adjust the toe and send her. Alright, so like I said, everything's pretty much good. Like I said, caster can't do anything with. We brought the toe in. Toe is mint. And
Good to go.
he's ready to rock and roll. Control arms are in there. Brakes are on. It's ready to go, guy. I can almost even feel the difference in the control arms too.
Oh yeah, you can feel like, especially you go around a corner decently. Like when you hit bumps too, it feels a lot more planted. Like, I don't know, it drives like as good as, if not better than a new car, really.
Cool.
Like, just anyway, come here.
Yeah,
the SUV, that's
Didn't really have any roll to it either.
it's pretty good. With the new sway bar in that, it'll be mint.
Mint.
Well, bigger sway bar, I could say. Urethane bushings.
Cool beans. Alright guys, once again, doing an outro in my room. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.